Hi there, let's talk about food design, but in particular in this video I want to talk about something. I'm just going to show you. So this is a video that I wanted to show you how to make chocolate mud cake. The channel is called How to Basics, and let's have a look at it quickly. So I'm going to skip forward a little bit also. Ingredients that you need, and then it starts by showing the actual cake and some of the actual process to make this cake. And I'm going to skip forward. Up to here everything is more or less okay. It's making a cake. Then this happens, and then I'm skipping forward, okay? Then this happens. Maybe he was having a dream or something. So he woke up and now he's making the cake the right way, I guess. Yeah, that's it. I think we can stop here. Okay, so this was the video. And actually all of the videos in this channel are like this. They are mainly recipes, and if you look at them, if you watch them, they all end in the same way. So the channel has 11 million subscribers, average views 5 millions, 3 millions, 4 millions. There's a lot of people who watch this channel. So I guess that what I'm saying is that in this era where food waste is definitely one of the biggest problems we have to deal with, this is what people watch and find entertaining. So I guess my point here is that food designers, there's still a lot of work we need to do with regards to food waste. So yeah, let's do it. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day and happy food design.